Hello children, welcome to Nelson School online education program Learn Better. In today's session we'll be continuing with the idiomatic expressions that we have already started. So today we'll be going for part 3, that is from number 21 to 30. So let us continue with the idiomatic expressions. Number 21 is to keep back. Now as I've told you, the idiomatic expressions will have the verb as well as the preposition with them. So it is to keep back. So here to keep is the verb and back is the preposition. So to keep back means to hide. I shall not keep back anything from you. So it's I shall not hide anything from you. Now number 22 is to keep off. To keep off means to stay at a distance or to remain at a distance. Kindly keep off the grass means kindly stay away from the grass or kindly remain at a distance. Usually when you go in the museums and all, they tell you to keep off from the statues. Number 23 is to keep on. So to keep on means to continue. Okay, do not stop. So to keep on means to continue. He was tired but he kept on doing his work. He was very tired but he kept on doing his work. As you can say, he continued doing his work. Number 24 is to look after. To look after means to take care of. Okay, so the nurse will look after the children or our parents look after us. Number 25, to look down upon. Now here you will have children two prepositions. To look down upon. Okay, look down and upon, two prepositions are there. But here it doesn't literally mean to look down. But here it means to look down means to regard with contempt. Okay, we must not look down upon the other even if we do not agree with them. Means we should not hate them or we should not try to disagree with them. Okay, so we must not look down upon the others. We must not insult them. We must not disagree with them even if we do not agree. But we cannot show our contempt. Number 26 is to look for. To look for means to search. So I am looking for a decent swimming costume or I am looking for a laptop. Number 27, to look forward to. Now here you have to look forward to. You have to look forward to means to wait eagerly for something. The students are looking forward to the summer vacation or the students are looking forward for the examination results. Number 28, to look into. To look into means to examine the matter properly. The manager is looking into the whole matter. Okay, so he is taking care of the whole matter. Number 29 is to look up. Now as you can see children, the verb is look everywhere but the preposition goes on changing. So to look up means to look for and look up is usually same. The only difference between them is to look for means to search but to look up means to search and even find it. Okay, so to search for and find. Please look up this word in the dictionary means please look it up, please search it and find it up. Or it means to improve. I hope things will start looking up in the next few days as we have already started looking up from the pandemic. Number 30, to make out. To make out means to discover or to find out. I could not make out the meaning of what she said. Means I could not discover, I don't know, I am not able to find out what she is exactly trying to say. So once again we'll repeat children the meanings. To keep back means to hide. To keep off means to stay at a distance, okay, or to remain at a distance. To keep on means something that you have started but you are continuing it. To look after means to take care of. To look down upon means we should not insult anyone. To regard with contempt, we should not say anything with hatred, you could say. Number 26 is to look for, just to search. 27 is to look forward to, means eagerly wait for something. To look into means to examine or to take care of the matter. To look up means to search also and find it also. Or the look up even means to improve. To make out, to discover or to find out something. Okay, so I hope you understood from number 21 to 30. Thank you.